Run it up. I wake up. Yeah.
Alright, it's game time, guys. Welcome to the off-road portion of the Barber Small Bore. Been pouring rain. We've been hiding in tent for the last 30 minutes. My gloves are pissing rain. That's nice. I'm gonna go race. I got GoPro number 2 for backup in case this one dies. Cute. We're gonna whip it there. I have a feeling they're gonna be gridding and getting this started pretty quick. They want to do like knobbies or whatever, but we should try to get in the same race. Look, these are street tires compared to those. They consider these like dual sports and those dual sports. Oh, these are more like street.
Are those street or dual sports?
I'm calling them street. What do you call them?
Street.
All right, I like your style.
Yeah, I would just race with us.
These are technically 80% street and 20% dirt. So.
Hey, yo, you say the road going down is worse, and I'm like, really?
Going down this?
Yeah, apparently there's like a real nasty section with rutted out and...
We got this shit. Oh, it's gonna be 2 laps into this. It's gonna be gnarly. Someone's crashing in the back of us. I'm so glad we got practice. I guarantee some people in practice are going down. Oh, good thing they got this Kenda tape to hold us in. Oh, this is not... That wasn't even part of the racetrack.
No, it's just to get down here,
Oh,
man.
shit.
Be right back. I gotta check the creek because it came up like 3 feet. We'll go through it.
We're not scared. 2 wide, 3 wide, what?
I don't want the inside.
No, you hit a tree.
1 sight lap and line them back up right where you're at.
I wake up. Yeah.
Oh, there's a creek there. Oh, fuck. Going through that. All right. Oh shit. That's slippery as fuck. Oh my god, that is slippery.
Yeah, it's stupid.
Do I got a rear set? All right.
Good, bro?
Yeah, I'm good. That's slippery.
Yeah, don't even touch your front brake on there.
Oh, I didn't touch the front brake. I touched the gas.
You throttle up on it.
Oh.
Try to come around it.
Holy shit. All right. Don't give gas on that one. Fuck. Whew. Oh, we're going through a fucking creek. Okay. Oh shit. Fuck this. Holy fuck me. Okay. It might not be good to be first. I'll go for second and then maybe pass at the end. It's not good. It's not good. Go away. All right. I got to bend my shifter or my brake. Don't give it too much gas on that bridge. That thing is slippery. It just went.
Very slippery.
Whew. Yo, what did that look like?
You're just laying on the brake.
You didn't see me go down?
Oh.
It just whipped. I just gave it gas, like halfway through, it just caught, it lost traction, it just whipped. All right, now we're gonna do the real race.
I wake up.
3 laps. This is the start. That rock bridge, the finish line on the 3rd lap. Seriously, be as safe as possible. If you fall, people are here to help you. Watch the rider in front of you.
Now if you're in first.
Set.
I wake up, flex up, down that check. No trip is wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell them run it up. I wake up, flex up, down that check. No trip is wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell them run it up. 9 out of 10, rub through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm #1 up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex.
Oh shit. First baby.
I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, stop it.
Oh, man, not
I'm so
yet.
handsome. All in
We got
comments on
traffic.
my Benz, oh, I'm so fancy. No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish.
What?
Time to
We're
play,
doing
got
full.
book dates. Had a plan, only had to wait. Always knew I'd make a way. Send a bill, they send a pay. Keep it real, keep it record street. Keep it real, no time to fake. Authentic in my own lane. I am me till I'm in the grave. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop.
Oh shit.
Never panic. We send it up and then it vanish. I can't stand it. I don't wanna
And a lap,
really
baby.
see you scrambling. On offense, no defense. Still strong, no weakness. Used to say I wouldn't beat this. Now they wish they could beat this.
Yeah, you had one more. We went with you. That's all right.
What's your name?
Eric, first one on the list. Right there, yeah. Whew.
Alright,
It's that practice, baby.
you like it?
It's that practice. Oh, now you want to say they're now you want to complain about tires.
I haven't slowed down so much right here. It's all like leaves and
As soon as you hit it, it like washes out. All right, baby. What? Oh, did I slam on the brakes in front of you? You can't get by me if I'm sideways. Oh man. Creek Bottom Classic. Fucking knobbies of the handicapped. Thank you, sir. Oh, my rear brake feels weird. I'm gonna have to bend this shifter back. What happened?
I washed out on that bridge and bent my brake lever up. Anytime I put my foot on the peg.
That's how mine is right now.
Yep, exact same
Yep,
thing. Yeah.
that's the bridge. Yeah.
I kept
Yeah.
locking up every time I touched it. You want me to fix it for you? I'll fix mine. There you go.
That's pretty good. Oh yeah, that's better.
Have fun?
Yeah, that was good. You gotta do more of it next year. Every day next year. That is the Creek Bottom Classic. Leave a comment down below. I think they should do this every day of the event. What do you guys think? Leave a comment so they can see it. Send a suggestion. Nick at Barber, let them know. And of course, Greg and Man in the Box crew, let them know that we want everyday Creek Bottom Classic. This was a blast. And then we don't have to go find our own Creek Bottom Classic. This made the trip worthwhile. I'm glad they didn't cancel it because it was raining all day today, heavy rain. As you guys can see, it's mushy. So I like it. All right, we're gonna send it up this mountain now, baby. Ah, bitch. Give you a little boot. Lewis is stuck halfway down. Oh fuck!
I don't got no grip.
Hold on. Let me get planted. All right, go ahead. Go.
Just go back down. I come back up.
And Loki cheated for the street class. These are so much better than the street, but they're not knobbies. I think I would have won the knobby class, or at least been competing against Rodney. Every one of them was washing out on that bridge. Give him a bump. This part's worse than the track. Oh shit. Sorry, Nick. Don't go through that. That's at least 2 feet. I'm not pulling it out. So this is for the Mercedes Proving Grounds. It's maybe not that bad. Go ahead. Jesus. Oh my God. Free car wash, baby! Making waves here in Barber. Sorry, Nick. You know how we do. Thank you. That was a blast. First place of the first annual Barber Creek Bottom Classic. And the street tires might be cheating a little bit. If you guys enjoyed that video, I hope you did. Shout out to Lewis for risking his Grom's life. But look at this. I don't know if this is for us or not, but we're using it. We'll be back with a new video.